This is my latest bike project. I wanted to put together a Clydesdale style front load bike for some time. Never had a real use for one, but with work, some changes at work, I think I do have a use for one, and I just wanted to do it. To get a Clydesdale, to get a front load style bike, you got a few routes you can go. You can buy something, which I don't know, looking at the mini velo style Omnium, something like that. I mean, brand new bike price, too expensive. I don't need, well, I don't need another bike as I have this one now. Buying a bike, too expensive. Frame builder, fabricator, probably quite expensive too. And honestly, I would have preferred to just modify the components myself, but I don't have a shop or a welder or cutting tools. Crust bikes. Crust has the Clydesdale fork, which was going to be my method for doing this, but they're not in stock and I'm impatient. So I got catalog shopping and decided that I needed some rough generalizations as far as fork length and this and that to keep everything bike geometry sort of in check. And came up with the Surly cocktail fork. This is the 445 millimeter version. Seems to do the job pretty well. It's cool. It's got the disc brake tab on it, or caliper mount. Granted, I don't have caliper set up, but nice eyelet mounts for a rack to go on, and here we are. Yeah, no one's really sat down and talked about doing a front load fork like this. It's usually just crust or frame builder, and I just wanted to see what I could come up with. So this is what it is. I guess I'll do a bike check. Off rip up top, we got the Bontrager saddle with a rip in it. I think this one's got a little bit of a twist. I think there's some damage. I'm going to swap it out for something a little bit wider because I've modified the seating position a little bit. Before this, 90s, you're really slung over, and yeah, this thing's just a little too narrow now that there's more weight on it. Cockpit, we got Surly Moloko bars. We got Avid lever, some Sunrace shifters, matching set, 21 speed, whatever. MSW stem, I think this is a 40 mil. I just picked it up just kind of for these bars because they have weird geometry. I think that's a design light. That's not bad. Power's decent on it. Output's good enough for what I'm doing. What else we got here? OEM headset bearing. Some, what a great example. Some fresh cables for the group set. Off the rear, we have some Exige Canties. Never really used Canty brakes before, but they're pretty nice. They do the job. There's some rear frame things, eyelets, another one there. Another Lesign light. I don't know what kind of hub this is, but it seems to be fine. I think this is a Araya wheel, regular 90s equipment. Same with the cassette, the roller, and well, it's an LX, you'll have to believe me. Frame's a 7000 Trek. It's pretty nice, it's pretty cool. It's aluminum. A little beat up in some spots, but made in America. And it's out of a bike shop in Arizona, which I'm in New York City, so that's kind of cool. What do we got? Little bit of logo damage, whatever. It's an old bike. Oh yeah, the seat post, whatever, that's OEM that came there. What else do we have going on here? Little head badge. So yeah, the fork, Surly Moloko, yada da da da. No, Surly cocktail, whatever. We got the Rody carbon fiber bottle carrier that I'll probably never use, but looks fine and weighs nothing. This wheel, local bike shop, old school Zach wheel. I think this is from the era. How many spokes? 40, 38. It's single wall. I saw it when the mechanic was putting it together. Simworks Ovento, cool rack. I gotta redo the stays because I kind of, yeah, I won't show that in too much detail. But as you can see, the stay goes to the top post or the top eyelet, and the other eyelet and bottom goes up. And it's pretty solid, you know, it'll carry something. What else do I have going on here? Got the Roadrunner bags, little tool sleeve, Salsa, anything cage. Do they make those still? Front tire. I got a cat. Front tire is just some kind of something or other, freshy. Rear tire, I saw something on it. It's something about 2000. If you recognize that tread pattern, write it in the comments. Oh, also, no front brake because this rim has no disc hub, and it's got a caliper mount. But anyways, so we're getting by without a front brake for now. It'd really be nice to have a front brake, but the rear one will do. That's kind of it. Next on the list here. Next on the list here that I probably want to get is one of those slick kickstands, center stand that sort of flips down on either side but hangs on one side. And I'll figure out a basket of some sort up front, or maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just leave it like this.